Making passive income on top of passive income with your stablecoins is exciting, don't you think? How about making profits while supporting USDB's peg with your investment? By the end of this video, you'll know how to do both of these things in 15 minutes or less. This video is a step-by-step guide on how investors can earn yields on top of yields, exponentially increasing their rewards with Reaper Farm, Beefy Finance, and Beluga. All three of these options combine the rewards from Beethoven-X with Smart Contract Arbitrage to make your options a lot more interesting. Step 1. Prepare. Navigate to the following link to find A Dai-Abolical Balance on the Beets-LP staking page. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Deposit your USDB stablecoins to the pool to receive BPT-USDB Dai-LP. These are Beets Pool Tokens, and they enable you to take part in the next steps. Step 2. Maximize profits. Once you have the LP tokens, you can either stake them or auto-invest them to earn more. Keep watching for a guide on how to use each of these wonderful options. Option 1. Beefy Finance. Go to Beefy Finance's A Dai-Abolical Balance vault page. Connect your wallet and ensure you have your BPT-LP tokens. Click the Deposit tab. Provide the number of tokens you would like to invest and click Deposit. You'll be asked to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once done, you'll see the pop-up screen on the Beefy app like in this screenshot. You can check the deposited amount of the LP tokens on the same page and even withdraw at a later stage. Option 2. Reaper Farm. Reaper Farm is an auto-compounding yield farm that maximizes investors' earnings. Search for A Dai-Abolical Balance Beethoven-X crypt in reaper.farm by going to their app linked here. In the Tokens field, provide USDB as shown below. You should then see the crypt. Connect your wallet and ensure you have your BPT-LP tokens. Click on Approve LP after providing the number of LP tokens you want to invest. Confirm the transaction on your wallet. Finally, click on the Deposit button to deposit the LP. After the deposit is complete, your investments are ready for some handsome rewards. Click the More Info button to learn about your earnings over time. Option 3. Beluga Finance. Go to Beluga Finance's Dai-Abolical Balance pool page here. Scroll down a bit and approve your spend limit for the BPT-LP in your wallet. After approval, deposit your LP tokens and click Deposit. No matter what way you go, you really can't lose in the world of stablecoin farming. The USDB stablecoin is ideal for this purpose, in fact, because its proof of burn mechanism can be used in complex systems which add value to any investor or consumer ecosystem. Follow the links in our description for more information on the Balance ecosystem, USDB, and FHM. Or join our community. Like, comment, and subscribe with notifications to keep up to date with our latest news.